you like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles. Do you like pancakes? Yeah, we like pancakes. Do you like French toast? Yeah, we like
Hamzu, are you a waffle person?
Yes.
I didn't say are you an awful person, I said are you a waffle person? We're gonna have something called a naked Nutella. But why are we wearing clothes? Oh, he's laughing again.
Yeah, we like pancakes. Do you like French toast? Yeah, we like French toast. Can't wait to get a mouthful.
So we're having that, which is the naked Nutella. This naked Nutella is obviously the most popular one. Everyone's getting it. Like, everyone's getting it. It's so funny. I have a technical question. Is it Nutella or is it Nutella?
Do you like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles. Do you like pancakes? Yeah, we like pancakes. Do you like French toast? Yeah, we like French toast.
Oh, look, that's the naked Nutella. See, when you say naked Nutella, it sounds like Nanga Nutella sounds so wrong. It's delicious, I love it. It's got a lot of like.
It's called Nanga Nutella.
It's a waffle. It's got a powdered sugar right on top.
Shut up. It's delicious.
And it's smaller bite. You finished it. Oh, that's nice.
Can't wait to get a mouthful.
We've gotta have this. We're getting something called a chocolate overload. So for two of them together, we paid 300 rupees. Okay, which is not bad. But Hamza, can I share yours?
No.
What?
Sorry.
Oh, look, that's what it is. That's a chocolate overload.
It's totally bland.
I wanna have it.
Do you like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles. Do you like pancakes? Yeah, we like pancakes. Do you like French toast? Yeah, we like French toast.
You have to try this place, okay, boy?
Do you like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles.